Nothing but gray skies once again, family. Let me just tap that, see if you can see that behind me. Yeah, although it's not raining yet, I decided to come out here and zone out before it does. You know, I just finished my workout, and as always, I like to come out here and get some of my lessons and my mindset right for the day. I got hit up by a bunch of you guys in the forum, so that is dope. I have something special planned, but as I take these steps and actions, it gets clearer and clearer. So I'm not going to try to complicate things. More so, I'm going to just continue to take this action and continue to develop this program. What I can give you is a sneak preview in what to expect, which is basically a 90-day program that I'll be going along with you on. Like, this journey has taught me a ton, and we're only 61 days in, and we got about 29 to go. So based on the rest of the 29 is just going to hammer that solid foundation of this program that I got planned, and definitely can't wait to share it. Hopefully you guys are on this journey along with me and have seen the same growth that I have seen, and the next version 2.0 will just be a lot bigger, badder, and better. Let's try to rearrange the words a little bit, see if that'll just make it a little bit more awesome to say. Right now I'm going to go back. Let's see what time it is. I'm about to go back and do a couple more sessions and then get back onto the computer and get some shit done, because there's a lot to get done. Anyways, I will see you in the next scene or whatever. Just tell the tribe what they were going to be witnessing.
Greatness, epicness, hashtag Zen Rage Heal, hashtag fuck Becky.
Live above the noise. Break open. Take permission to want more out of life. To rage hard and to grow. Make your own rules. Life isn't about playing it safe or fitting in. That's some basic Becky nonsense. Fuck Becky. Boss up. Rage it out. Let it go. Be brave enough to leave where you are to get real. We get one life, and we better live the hell out of it. It's time to be epic.